in the hall. It's the one and only Labubu. Big eyes, wild hair, tiny feet, but don't be fooled, she's sugar and heat. And Labubu doll got a sparkle in her stare, tiny little mischief with a punk rock flair. Sneaks through the night with a giggle and a spin. Trouble or magic, let the games begin. Candy-colored boots and a lightning charm. She's got giggles, tricks, and a whole lot of charm. Talking to her teddy like it's top secret. Every little move, yeah, best believe it. Labubu doll dancing on the wall, whispers in the wind, hear a tiny call. Cute but wild, she's got it all. You can't catch the Labubu doll. Labubu doll, bounce and roll. In her world, she's in control. Laughs like a bell, sneaky and small. That's our queen, the Labubu doll. Cookies lock your chest. She's already 2 steps ahead of the rest. Moonlight, buddy, stars in her hair. Anywhere you look, Labubu's there. Tiny voice, but a giant vibe. She's the leader of the midnight tribe. Magic in her eyes, cranks your soul, but deep down sweet like a jelly roll. The river ripple, little queen, dancing like it's Halloween. Shadow steps, lightning smile, Labubu style, all the while. Labubu doll dancing on the wall, whispers in the wind, hear a tiny call. Cute but wild, she's got it all. You can't catch the Labubu doll. Labubu doll, full of surprise, glitter, mischief in her eyes. If you see her, better stand tall. She rules the world, the Labubu doll. Too slow. She's gone with the candy and glitter glow. That's Labubu, y'all.